Let's talk a little AI ethics today. Yeah, I know, not much clickbait, but it's still a very important topic that we all must stay abreast of. My name is Harrison Painter, your Chief AI Officer, and this is your video of the day. I have been screaming from the rafters how important it is to have humans deal with the intent, with the oversight of the use of artificial intelligence. And I found a great article today that I actually wrote an article around it on my website, harrisonpainter.com, and it covers AI ethics. And understand that AI is moving fast. It feels like it's going from a one-trick pony to a jack of all trades very quickly. It's fascinating, but alongside this excitement does come a very critical question. How do we ensure that AI development remains ethical, that it remains responsible? So the article that I found covers a gentleman named Igor Jablokov. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Jablokov. He's the CEO at Prion. Now, if you've never heard of Prion, and this is what makes Igor here credible, he was on the team that was the foundation for IBM's Watson's AI and behind Amazon's Alexa. So this is a gentleman that's been working in AI at a very high level, and definitely IBM Watson is what's given us this next generation of AI that we're all enjoying today. Now, AI ethics is not science fiction. This is no longer fiction. These are things that are happening today. And AI does spew out a lot of fabricated facts. Sensitive data is getting hacked or being used in training data. So there's a lot of things that are going on right now that we have to be aware of. Look, as we enter the election season, we're going to see more and more social manipulation with videos. 2024 is going to be crazy to watch. I can't even imagine what 2032 is going to be like. And right now we're on the brink of multiple wars, or at least we're supporting multiple wars around the world right now. And when you start looking at AI autonomous weaponry, that's a pretty scary thing as well. Do we really want AI making some of those life and death decisions on how we use our weapons at any given time? I don't think so. I think there's always going to need to be some form of human oversight, some form of a human in charge guiding the intent and making sure that everything is still maintaining some form of humanity here. And the good news is Igor Jablokov agrees with me. He emphasizes the importance of human oversight. Just like a doctor would not rely on a web search for a diagnosis, critical decisions shouldn't solely depend on AI either. Prion advocates for, and I really like this term, a human buddy system to ensure AI stays on the right track, preventing missteps with potentially disastrous consequences. He does promote regulations to prevent AI from going off course, and he applauds the White House for initiating at least the conversation. Now, he's at a very high level, so of course he has to play the politics around this, but you and I both know regulation typically is not always that good, and we're dealing with a government that doesn't even know how Wi-Fi works or how to log into Twitter or X. How are these folks going to regulate anything? Not to mention the fact that it's moving so quickly that even somebody at the forefront here is going to be challenged to regulate because, number one, you're going to have the excitement of progress and moving forward and probably a little bit of tunnel vision on your dream or on your focus or on the vision that you have for this stuff. But on the other hand, all the other people are so far behind you and they're the ones that are going to try to regulate. So it's kind of a just hold on for dear life type of scenario here. But the takeaway that I want you to have for this video is that AI is going to have a human touch. It is not going to replace AI will not replace you, but AI will replace you with people who know how to use AI. So you definitely have to be, again, staying abreast of all of this. Prion is going to unveil some new advancements. If you go to Prion, I believe it's .com, I'll share a link wherever you're at. This is an enterprise solution. It's a solution that helps ensure that what you are pulling is accurate. So it's something that if you are at the enterprise level that you should absolutely take a look at. And they're also going to be at the AI and Big Data Expo, and they're going to be announcing some things there. So I will be staying abreast of that. and seeing what's going on. They also cater to developers seeking to build ethical and transparent AI solutions. So this is a company to definitely keep your eye on. And again, if you're enterprise, definitely check them out and see if they might be a fit for you. Let's keep the faith. Look, the conversation about AI ethics is, I know, not a sexy one by any means, but it is gaining momentum. It is a conversation we have to keep pushing and having. The only way that we can do this ethically is by staying informed. And my role that I've taken on is to help keep you informed, or at least push you in the right direction to places where you can get the information that you need. We want AI to be a powerful force for good. It's going to take us to do it. And there's going to be a battle as this moves forward. So we need you. We need me. We need to create a tribe that's really focused here on ethical AI and help guide this ship where it needs to go. All right, well, that's it for me today. I hope that this was valuable for you. Again, I know this isn't a sexy topic, but it has to happen. My name is Harrison Painter, your Chief AI Officer. And until tomorrow, keep innovating. God bless.
Cause they're weaving the tapestry of fate. AI dreaming in silence we navigate. With every pulse and every bite it takes. Don't forget the hands that lay the stakes. AI craft the future, but don't lose the past. Human at the core in the roles we cast. In the binary beat, let the truth be vast. Ethics in the loop from the first to the last. In digital realms, where the lights never fade, invention thrives from the code that we've made. Yet within the glow, we seek a gentle shade to remind us of the human touch that stayed.